In this question from set theory, it says a group of 50 students, the number of students studying French is 70, studying English is 13, studying Sanskrit is 15, French and English is 9, English and Sanskrit is 4, French and Sanskrit is 5, and all three are 3. Based on this, we have to answer this question. So we are going to solve this using the Venn diagram. Let's say if I take this total people, that is 40 here. Say this is 40. Sorry, it's 50 given here. It is 50. Now I'll make 3 circles comprising for, say, English. First is French. So let me make 3 circles and then we will decide which belongs to what. Now the first is French. So 17 I'll write for this whole circle red. English, which is I'll write here. This is F stands for French, which is 17, the whole of red circle. English, E stands for English, which is whole of this blue circle. And S stands for Sanskrit, which is whole of this green circle, which is 15. Now let's say the common reason of, no, we should go by from behind, right? Start with all 3. So all 3 is how much? All 3 is this reason. This reason for all 3. Let me mark this. This is given how much? This is given as 3. So I'll write 3 here. Now for Sanskrit and French, it is 5. Sanskrit and French. That means this reason is Sanskrit and French, but we have already 3 is occupied here. So 5 minus 3 will be 2 for this. Now English and Sanskrit is 4. English and Sanskrit. That means this is English and Sanskrit is 4. So we have already placed 3 here. So the remaining 1 will be here. As together it is 4. Further, if you go below, it is French and English, which is 9. So this reason is 9 here. So 9 minus 3, which is 6. Now we can find only French will be what? The 17 minus the sum of these 3. So 17 minus 11 is how much? 6, right? 17 minus 11, that is 6 plus 3. Yeah, that's correct. Now, similarly, we can get only English will be how much? 13 minus the sum of these. The sum of these is coming as 10. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. So this will give you 3. Now, similarly, only Sanskrit from 15, we will subtract 5 plus 1, 6. So 15 minus 6 is 9. Now we can answer the questions from here. The first part is French only. So French only is how much? 6, because this is the reason for French. So this is 6 from the Venn diagram. English and Sanskrit, but not French. English and Sanskrit, but not French. So let me color those areas. English and French. Yeah, where is that? English and French, but not English and Sanskrit. Sorry, this is English and Sanskrit, but not French. So what you will do here, let's exclude the French one, right? So excluding the French, so English and Sanskrit, what I'm doing. This is English, right? This is English and Sanskrit. We have to exclude the reason of French. So we will add them, and how much are we getting this as? Adding these, this is 13. Now, if I see the next one, and the next part here is, that is the third part. It says at least one of the three language. So any of these three, that means this will include all these reason, any of these three, right? At least one of the three, at least, well, at least one means either one, two, or all three. So we need to add this. So we'll have to add this all figure here. So what will be the sum of these? So this will be, I can see it's 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 9. So this is 18, 20, 30. So that comes out to be 30. So this we got here. Now in the next part, they're asking, so we have to write down here, this is 30. And none of the three language, that means we have to find out the outside reason, right? These reasons would be none of these three language. So we know that this whole value is how much? This is 50, from which if you subtract 30, we'll get the outside reason of this Venn diagram. So it should come as 50 minus 30, which is 20. So this is how it can be done.